Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. In this video, I will be walking you guys through 5 outfit ideas for all you college going girls. All the outfits that I have used in this video are extremely basic, something that you will find in your wardrobe, but at the same time I have mentioned some tricks in order to elevate that entire look. Accessories do play a huge role in elevating your outfit and making it more stylish. So without further ado, let's get started. For our first outfit, I am using this solid color yellow color t-shirt which is sleeveless and pairing it up with blue denims. I'm going to keep this outfit very casual and fun, pairing it up with my Apple Watch and very simple earrings to keep it extremely basic. I am using my white sneakers which goes perfectly with this outfit, and then last but not the least, I am using this black tote bag in order to keep all my books, which is perfect for the college and also adds that element of fashion. To add that oomph to my outfit, I am using these extremely bougie sunglasses. This outfit overall has a very casual and comfortable vibe and is perfect for any regular day in college. Our second outfit is perfect for winters and places where you have a little bit of colder weather. I am using my white color sweater which is extremely trendy and pairing that up with my blue denims. Trust me, blue and white can never go wrong. For our accessories, I am going to keep it extremely classy. I wanted to give this outfit a classy look rather than a sporty or casual one. So I'm using my watch which has green belt as well as some golden detailing on the dial. In order to match all my accessories, I'm using my golden earrings. Matching my footwear with my watch, I am using my green slip-ons, and this is how the entire outfit looks like. I absolutely love this one. Our third outfit, I wanted to keep it extremely Indian traditional but at the same time very fashionable. For that, I'm using this short kurti here which is in a beautiful mint green color with beautiful detailing. For accessories, I'm using my rose gold watch which looks extremely pretty, as well as pairing it up with some dainty jewelry. It just adds to the entire outfit. It's simple yet classy. I'm using these heels right here, but you can switch it up with flats if you're not comfortable with heels. I feel having neutral color handbags like black and beige just makes it super simple to pair it up with different outfits, and here is the final look. It looks extremely fashionable yet classy and very traditional. Next outfit is going to be a little bit semi-formal. I'm using this basic black top which you can find in any wardrobe. Then pairing it up with these silver hoops, it just elevates the entire look. I am using these mint green color pencil pants which look extremely fashionable. For accessories, I'm also using my watch, and this is the final look. You can totally use this for any of your semi-formal to formal events in the college and it would look amazing. For this outfit, I'm going to start off by wearing a basic black cami top. You can totally wear a black color top if you have one. Then I'm going to layer it up with a red cardigan. It is a full length cardigan and it is the statement piece of this outfit. It just makes the entire outfit so fashionable. For footwear, I am going to use my black boots, which also adds that element of style to your outfit. For accessories, I am going to layer it up with two different pieces. Layering of jewelry is very trendy these days and you can play it up to whatever you feel like. For my bag, I'm using my same old black tote bag which goes perfectly with the theme that we are trying to create with this particular outfit. Last but definitely not the least, adding my sunglasses, and this is the final look. And I hope you you like this video and it was useful for you in some way or the other, do let me know in the comments down below what other videos you want me to make. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, do subscribe to the channel below, follow me on my Instagram, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.